Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, plug the machine into a stable outlet and switch on the main power so settings initialize. Once the display boots, set temperature to 60 degrees and confirm the Nano film cartridge clicks into place. This prevents misfeeds. Next, clean the device side platen and the phone screen with the 70% IPA wipe, then use 1-2 adhesive dust stickers to remove particulates. Doing these first steps ensures adhesion quality and prevents bubbles later, so don't skip them. Once your screen is pristine and the cartridge is secure, place the phone into the jig using the alignment pins. You want exact edge placement to avoid misalignment. Lower the applicator head slowly so the Nano solution dispenses evenly, then start the machine's automated 3-4 minute dispense cycle to spread the coating. After dispensing, initiate the UV cure for 30 to 60 seconds while rotating the device for uniform hardening. This combination of controlled dispense and timed cure yields "you're almost done." Slowly remove the phone from the jig and wipe any excess solution with a clean microfiber cloth, then inspect under direct light for clarity and edge adhesion. Make sure touch responsiveness is unchanged. If the surface feels tacky, rerun a short 20-30 second UV cycle to finish curing. If small bubbles remain, reheat the area at 40 degrees for 60 seconds or carefully reapply Nano solution to that spot. This troubleshooting step resolves trapped air without compromising the full coating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.